Children, welcome back. And in our previous video, we have discussed about the force and the effect of force on the objects. And now we are going to discuss about the types of force, that are contact force and the non-contact force. In contact force, ऑब्जेक्ट हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं जहाँ पे कोई कॉन्टैक्ट क्रिएट हो रहा है, ठीक है. फोर्स, these kind of forces are applied only when two or more objects come in contact with each other. So here, between the objects, contact exists. Contact exists. So, in contact force, two or more objects they come in contact with each other. While in non-contact force, the objects, in between the objects, there is no contact force in between them. So, contact force. In contact force, we can take the muscular force and frictional force. Like when you keep on using same shoes regularly, it will get worn out, है ना. ये घिस जाता है and the sole of your shoes get worn out. That is all because of the friction that is in between your shoes and the road. And in machines, the screws and all, they get worn out when they are used on daily basis. That is also because of the friction, and that's why lubricants are used to to prevent the worn out of the screws. जो उसमें नट्स होते हैं, कीलें होती हैं या स्क्रूज होते हैं, उनको बार बार हम यूज़ करते हैं, और यूज़ होने की वजह से वो फ्रिक्शन की वजह से होता है, और फ्रिक्शन होने की वजह से वो वन टाइम मतलब ऐसा हो जाता है कि वो टूट जाते हैं, ठीक है. एंड दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू कीप ऑन lubricating them with the help of machine oil or grease or something like that, ठीक है. Any lubricant agent you can use for that. Now the muscular force. In case of muscular force, we can take the examples of animals which we are using for the transportation of goods from one place to another place. So for taking so much of load on their back and to walk, they also need the force, and they are using their muscular force. Even if we being as a human, if we have to take a very heavy box that time, or you have to push a heavy box, that time also we use our muscular force. Very simple example, like in tug of war, both the teams in the opposite direction, they pull the other team towards themselves. So that time also we are using our muscular force. Now the non-contact force. Here the force acts without any contact between the objects. We can take the example of magnetic. In case of magnetic force, like we know magnets are, as we have learned this in 6th standard also, magnets are having two poles, north pole and south pole. If I'll place one magnet having north pole and south pole, and other magnetic bar that I am placing in front of this magnet with south pole and north pole in the downward direction. That means here south pole and south pole are in front of each other. What happens here? They will not attract. Why? Because we know that always opposite poles of magnet attract towards each other. हमेशा ऑपोजिट पोल्स अट्रैक्ट करते हैं और सेम पोल्स रिपेल करते हैं. सो हियर साउथ एंड साउथ पोल, दीज आर द सेम पोल्स एंड दे कैन नॉट अट्रैक्ट विद ईच अदर, दैट्स व्हाई दे रिपेल. सो इन अदर केस, इफ आई टेक नॉर्थ पोल in front of the south, it will attract each other. It will attract each other without any contact in between them, because they are having opposite poles and opposite poles attract each other. Same thing happens in electrostatic force. Take a small piece of paper and again cut it into small pieces, very small pieces. You just spread it and take a scale or comb or any straw which you use for juice. So you just rub it with your hair and try to attract these small piece of papers. These small pieces of papers will attract with the कॉम, वो कॉम के साथ या स्केल के साथ अट्रैक्ट होंगे. वाई? बिकॉज व्हेन यू रब इट देयर इज अ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ चार्ज, देयर इज अ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ charge, and because of that charge they attract with each other and they get stick with the scale or any comb which any object which you are using. Same thing happens here in the frictional force. हम frictional force में बात कर रहे थे. When you walk there is a friction between the force and the road. In the same way, when you rub your hands continuously, heat is produced. Why? Because it's all because of the friction which acts between your hands. That's why here there's a generation of heat, and that generation of heat is only because of the friction. So these were the types of the forces, contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces में there's a contact between the objects, and in this we have discussed about the muscular force and the frictional force. In non-contact force we have discussed about the magnetic and electrostatic force. So children, here we have completed our 2 subtopics from this chapter. Have a great day. We will continue the same chapter in the next class.